How to contact Uber Eats live support. First, open the app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, then scroll down and select Help. From there, pick the topic that best matches your issue, like orders, payments, or your account. At the bottom of the Help section, you'll usually see an option to contact support, which may be through chat or phone depending on your location. If chat is available, tap Chat with us to connect with the support agent and explain your concern in real time. For urgent issues like delivery problems, the app may give you the option to call support directly. Be ready to provide details about your order so they can quickly assist you. Support options can vary by country, so keeping your app updated helps make sure you see the latest features. Once you're connected, the live support team will guide you step by step to solve the problem. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.